What's up, guys? We are about to scrape the Cryptopunk's website for some information. So let's get started. We are going to pull up the Larva Labs website. And I'm just going to show you what we're about to scrape here. So if we go to all punk types and attributes right here, we are going to scrape all of this information, including this information. The punks and all of the attributes that each punk has. And all the punks for each category, and or attribute, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do first is we are going to copy and paste this page. So we're going to go, let's see. We're going to copy this body right here. And we're going to create a file called @index. Or not HTML, we're just going to do a text file. We're going to paste it right in there. Cool. Alright. Now we need to determine the information we want to pull. So what we're going to do basically is pull each of these tables. And then we're going to pull the links from these tables. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a request to each one of these. So we'll open this up again. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pull this information right here to start. So, yeah. So the table is right here. So from this body element here, we're going to pull the tables. So what we're going to do is say from BS4 import beautiful soup, and we're going to say with open attribute index. Let's do that as F. Then we're going to say content is equal to f.read. We're going to read that file. Okay. Oh yeah. Do that. Then we're going to say soup is equal to beautiful soup content. And then we're going to say tables is equal to soup.find all tables. And then we're going to print the tables. I think I have an environment I need to initialize. So I'm going to do it right here. Okay, now let's run it. Alright, so here are our tables out on the screen. I don't know if you can read this. But, yeah. All the tables. Okay, so now what we're going to do from those tables is we're going to pull these links here. So where are the links located? Let's see, I believe it'd be in the T body here. Okay, we're going to get this attribute row here. You know, so we're going to get the TR tags with that class attribute row. And then from those rows, we're going to get the A tags here. So attribute row or table in tables. We're going to say rows is equal to table find all. I'm going to say tr class is attribute row. Okay. Then we're going to say print the rows, and then we're going to quit just to see if it works. All right, it works. So now what we do is we got to get the A tags. So what we're going to do from those rows, we're only concerned with one row here. Or really we want to iterate over the rows, right? So we're going to say for row in rows, we're going to get the A tags. So A tags is equal to row.find all A. Print the A tags, and we're going to quit. Make sure we're on the right track. Okay, we're not showing anything. So we're going to quit this, or we're going to remove that quit. All right. So I guess some of the table rows aren't going to have the A tags and some of them will. So what we're going to say is if the length of the A tags is greater than 0, then we're going to get the first A tag. And then we're going to get the link from that A tag. So this is going to be, I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can see a little bit better. But if you see this, that's the endpoint we want to get. So to get that, we're going to call this attribute endpoint. It's equal to A tag href. And then we're going to append it. Okay, so then we're going to create this list up here. Okay. So let us do that, and then we're going to print the list at the very end to see if we have all the info we need. All right, so that looks right. You know, we have all of these that we want. And then there's a bunch that we don't need, like this right there. We don't need, where it says attributes. We don't need that. And we don't need that. So what we're going to do is say if attributes not in attribute endpoint, then we're going to do it. Let's see if that works. And yeah, there you go.